Welcome to the Cybertruck. Unlike traditional vehicles, opening its doors involves a blend of technology and design. This video will guide you through the primary methods: exterior handles, interior buttons, and the emergency release system. By mid-2025, Tesla has delivered over 200,000 Cybertrucks globally, refining its door mechanisms based on user feedback. Let's dive in. The Cybertruck features flush-mounted, capacitive touch sensors on the door frame instead of traditional handles. Located mid-door, pressing this activates an electric motor, unlatching the door via hydraulic actuators. This design enhances aerodynamics and security by eliminating visible handles. A firm press is needed to avoid accidental activation. This electric actuation is powered by the vehicle's battery and has redundant manual overrides. Inside the Cybertruck, a dedicated button on the door panel or central console controls the doors. Pressing this button interfaces with the car's computer for one-touch opening or closing. The system supports features like auto lock when driving and keyless entry via the phone app or key fob. Proximity sensors detect authorized users for added convenience. For safety in case of power failures or malfunctions, Tesla includes a mechanical override system in the Cybertruck. This ensures you can always access the vehicle even if the electric systems fail. The internal release is typically a hidden pull cord or lever located under the seat or door panel. When you pull it, it mechanically disengages the electric latch, allowing you to open the door manually. This schematic shows how the electromechanical lock works. The mechanical override bypasses the electric motor and gearing to allow manual operation. For external access in emergencies, some Cybertruck models feature a small access port where you can insert a key or tool to trigger the mechanical release from outside the vehicle. This mechanical override system complies with National Highway Traffic Safety Administration standards for emergency egress, ensuring passenger safety in all situations. In real-world usage, Cybertruck doors rely on a dedicated 12-volt auxiliary battery that's completely separate from the main traction battery. This design ensures the doors remain functional even if the primary battery system experiences issues, providing reliable access in various scenarios. The Falcon Wing design allows doors to open up to 90 degrees, significantly improving access to rear seats and cargo areas compared to traditional truck doors. However, drivers must ensure there's adequate overhead clearance to avoid hitting obstacles like garage ceilings or tree branches. For real-world reliability, Tesla provides a door calibration mode through the vehicle's app and infotainment system. This tool helps realign the Falcon doors if they become misaligned due to accidents, rough terrain, or other impacts, ensuring the doors continue to function properly and maintain their watertight seals. Some early models faced door alignment issues and glitches in extreme weather. Tesla addressed this with software updates and hardware revisions, improving seal integrity. A Cybertruck owner in Alaska reported doors freezing during a blizzard, prompting a firmware patch for automatic defrost cycles. Recalls, mainly for firmware fixes, indicate a maturing system. If experiencing issues, consult Tesla's owner manual or authorized service centers. The EV market is shifting towards handleless designs for aesthetics and aerodynamics, with Tesla leading the way. Future upgrades may include full self-driving integration, where doors auto-open based on gesture recognition or AI predictions. Cybersecurity improvements are also expected, with biometric authentication to prevent unauthorized access. Expect over-the-air updates for enhanced features like child lock modes. Experts like Sandy Munro note the doors are over-engineered for style over function, but praise integration with Tesla's ecosystem. The J.D. Power 2025 EV reliability study gave Cybertruck doors a 3.2 FEF rating, with 12% of owners reporting software-related issues. NHTSA data shows 0 fatalities linked to door failures, but 45 reported entrapment incidents, resolved via emergency release. Always familiarize yourself with the emergency release procedure.